What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, someone just built a personal AI agent that answers questions using their own data, and they did it without writing a single line of code? Yeah, I had the same reaction. See, here's what nobody tells you: the AI revolution isn't just for programmers anymore. While everyone's arguing about whether AI will take our jobs, a quiet group of people discovered something crazy: you can build your own personal AI assistant that knows your information in about the same time it takes to order lunch. No Python. No JavaScript. No Stack Overflow rabbit holes at 2 a.m. I'm talking about a personal AI agent that actually understands your data. Not some generic chatbot. An agent trained on your documents, your notes, your knowledge base, answering questions the way you would answer them. And the best part? The people who figured this out 6 months ago? They're already 10x more productive, finding answers instantly instead of digging through folders for hours. So in the next X minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your first personal AI agent that answers questions with the data you provide, using tools that feel more like Lego blocks than coding. No CS degree required. No prerequisites. Just you, following along. Oh, and if you haven't got the 14-day free trial yet, don't worry, I've also uploaded a video on how to get started with that. The link is right there in the description below. Because here's the truth: in 2026, having a personal AI agent isn't a luxury anymore, it's a productivity superpower. Let's build. Before building AI agent, you need to know some triggers. There are few type of triggers. Schedule triggers for time management. Webhook to ping with apps. Manual triggers and app event.do. Not worry. I am going to describe about triggers when we will use it. At first, click on the plus icon. As you can see under the plus icon, it says add first step. To start your workflow, you have to click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, you will find out few triggers. Click on chat messages. Do not change any settings. Let it be as it is. Just click on the cross button. I am going to write hi. As you can see, the note has green line around it, which means it is working. Here is our input, which is hi. However, we do not have any output. Now click on the plus icon. Click on AI. Also click on AI agent.to added in the workflow. You can see your action, chat input. And kindly do not make any changes in this settings. Click on the cross button. Now we are going to write hi. It takes the input, however it do not give us any output. Moreover, this AI agent is not working because it is not connected to any chat model. To make it work, click on the plus button where it says chat model. Search OpenAI and click on the second option. Do not change any settings and click on cross button. Now, I am gonna write hi. And it replied, hello, how can I assist you today? This is the input. And this is the output. Now I am gonna ask, how are you? This is the input. I am doing great is the output. It also asked, how can I assist you today? I am gonna ask, what is my name? And it says it does not have access to my personal information unless I share them with it. I write John. It said hello. I am gonna ask again, what is my name? And it does not know my name, even though I share my name with it. However, this time I am gonna ask a general question. What is the population of Earth? And its answer is authentic. Which is 8 billion people. Not only that, it is also saying that this number could change because every day many people born and die. Which means your AI chat model is working. As you can see, I had wrote my name. Now I am going to write my name again. And it addressed me as John. Now I am gonna asking it my name again. And it does not know my name. Why is this? Even though I had told it my name twice. It means this AI agent is working, however it does not have any memory. That is why even after giving information about me it does not recognize it. To solve this issue, all we have to do is just add memory. To add memory, click on the plus icon. Also click on Simple Memory. Now I will tell it my name. And it addressed me as John. Now I am going to ask it what is my name. As you can see, now it knows my name. Here is the input section, and this is output section. It means our memory node is working. What if we delete our memory? And ask the same question, which is what is my name? Now it does not know my name. Now add the memory because we are going to test it. Go to ChatGPT. And write create a fake identity. It is going to take a couple of seconds. As you can see, it is replying. Just copy-paste the identity to the chatbot or your first AI agent. Now I am going to ask how old is Vale. By the way, the identity which I created is about Vale. And it says 16, which is correct. Moreover, it also gives me some information about Vale. Here in the output it says age 16. Now, you can give your personal information to it, and it will remember those data in the memory. Alright, so you just built your first personal AI agent. Pretty cool, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. What you just created. That's like having a smart assistant. But what if I told you that you can give this agent actual tools, like the ability to send emails, schedule meetings, pull data from Google Sheets, search the web in real time, or even post on social media for you? Yeah, we're talking about upgrading from a Q&A bot to a full-on AI worker that takes action. See, most people stop right here. They build the basic agent and think, okay, that's it. But the people who are really getting ahead, they're connecting their agents to workflows, APIs, and automation tools that turn them into productivity machines. Imagine this, you ask your agent a question, and instead of just giving you an answer, it actually does the task. It drafts the email. It updates your spreadsheet. It creates the calendar invite. All from one simple prompt. And the crazy part? Adding these tools is just as easy as what you just did, no coding required. So in my next video, I'm breaking down exactly how to supercharge your AI agent with tools and workflows that'll make it 10x more powerful. We're talking real automation that saves you hours every single day. If you don't want to miss that, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Trust me, once you see what's possible with tools, you'll never look at AI agents the same way again. I'll see you in the next one. Let's take this to the next level.